next big one we have to talk about it is Sora. And again, the entire family, including my wife, I've sat them down. I have to show this. Like these are the prompts that created this. It was unbelievable. Of course, they're like the little red pandas jumping out of a petri dish. I don't know if you watched. I watched every single video. It is mind blowing what we can do with that. And again, it's version one. I can't. I can't. So again, there's two things, right? Yes, this feels like magic, but I'm pretty sure it won't get released to the general public until the cost comes down a little bit more, because nobody knows how much it costs to make this. It does absolutely look amazing. Just like everything else, we'll find out once we actually get our hands on what things will work or not. But if this is what a sign of what things to come, so to me, I did a little bit of research. The only thing I was able to find out, because I want to understand how does image generation or video generation different than like a text. So I know we use tokens for LLMs, but here it's called patches, which basically like the smallest thing is a patch, and then it helps you generate or kind of build on it basically through the process, diffusion process. So I just think it's a very what I understand is a scalable and effective way of representing this, and it's also useful. I don't know what kind of images they use for training. So I see a couple of. I'll jump into use case. I want to get your thoughts, but I'm so excited about it. But the use cases I can see is where everybody becomes a creator. It's going to be hard. That's the good news. But the bad news is now you can't tell between real and fake anymore. And then the next thing is somebody said this. It blew my mind. Is let's say you have a series that you enjoy watching, and you can watch the series from another person's perspective. Let's say you are the movie shown from a serial killer perspective. What if you could go from the other side, or even a Star Wars show movie? It's from the hero's perspective. What if it's from Princess Leia's perspective or the villain's perspective, right? So, and then if your show is 60 minutes long, you feed that in and you say, hey, can you extend this by another 10 minutes? So I just feel like there's so much opportunity, and it's all going to happen not tomorrow, but in the near future. So this is mind blowing to me, and what I saw actually felt like magic. So I'll let you jump in.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we have been playing with Runway ML and Leonardo and other products in the similar space. I think this definitely looks like order of magnitude better, right? And also, I think these are all, I think, generating short length clips like up to a minute, right? It's not like indefinite right now. It's version one. But the funny part is, I think someone mentioned in Twitter, like so a lot of people still don't have access to the creator side of things. So I think it's mental, it's highly not cost effective, I think. But the funny note is, I thought it's very interesting, and I want to highlight on the funny note somebody put in there is like, hey, I'll believe it when I see it generate Will Smith eating pasta scene, right? That's one of the memes ever since the video generators came into being. There is a reason, because I think that video, the unique part is it's it's exposing hidden parts of the thing. Like when you're eating or pulling things out, it's hidden, but it's exposed, hidden, exposed. So when an AI system works with it, it doesn't do a good job even today. Maybe Sora does a better job. We don't know, but we are going to find out when we get access. We're going to have it do Will Smith eating pasta, see whether it can do a good job. Then we believe it's over, game over, right? It can do good stuff.
I think somebody, the guy who does Medea movies, he's building an $800 million studio. He just put it on pause after he saw the Sora things coming out. He wants to know where this is going before he even continues it, because he doesn't want to build something with previous technology if this is gonna, change the game for him. So I thought it was cool. Like there's
still Rajni, none of this, I don't know whether you saw anything. I just want to highlight, none of this are talking videos. None of this have people actually expressing anything. These are all like an advertisement walking around, showcasing clothing or puppies running around. There's a new element that when you start adding voice, when you start adding the camera angle is something good. I saw different angles, which is a great first step, right? But to make people say something with expression, there's so much thing involved here, right? It's just very big.
Agree. And I know Levin Labs added their audio over top of these videos and released it too, like all these sort of videos. So it looks more complete with the audio. But you're absolutely right. There's no face-to-face interactions or
I haven't seen any of those.
if you're using for video games, right? It's just a background generation. All you need is a. So
That,
those are
yes,
the things.
very
You might not
useful.
go to the movie. Yeah. So those are things I think it'll be the
Or
background
the
for the
special
every
effects,
game you
right?
play.
Yeah, we talked
Yeah,
about in one episode, pure special effects generation. Doesn't have to deal with people. Just create all the special effects for me.
agree. And I think everybody wants to see how this plays out. Again, we are version one of this, right? And the way we're moving, what are we in February? By the time December, maybe there's Sora 1.5 that comes out, which is even more mind blowing. So I mean, again, just like everything else, I'm excited about it. There's so much still
I
more to
can't wait
come.
to get access, right? Hopefully, we all get some
I
access.
know that's the first thing my son's like, hey, can we make YouTube shorts with this? That's his first question. So he's excited about getting access, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to be cheap.